Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin. Your daily update. Yeah, I mean, there's again enough to talk about since yesterday. Yesterday we did talk about this. All right, if you watched the video yesterday, you would have expected this move. Because basically what happened, or at least what, well, partially what happens. By the way, the funding rates are super high right now, which is not great. But basically what happened is that there was a ton of liquidity for Bitcoin up at around 43,700 to 900. And that's what we grabbed right here. And that's where we are at right now. All right. Top of the range, or at least if you're assuming we are in a range right now. That is what I said yesterday. All right. Yesterday in the video, I said that I thought it was most likely that we would spike up there, but then from there would start to drop back down towards our main support level. At around 40,000, a little bit higher, 40,500 and 41,000, but all right, you know what I mean. So today, the main question is still that, all right? Do we actually have a shot at rallying here and getting a very, very bullish Bitcoin for Christmas? It's one of the best presents we could ask for, or is this just going to be the top? Some sort of a strange wick, getting people caught, bull trap, and then we'll crash. Right, so we'll talk about that. Yesterday, I thought the latter was going to be the most likely scenario. So let's talk about what has changed. Over the last 24 hours, the market has been very much more bullish. The volume for Bitcoin is practically, I think, no, it has gone up a bit. The volume is right now at around $29 billion. That's good, right? That's good volume. I'm not sure if it's enough to break out. All right, if you look at all the previous times we've actually broken out, which the last time was well, I think you could say right here. So that was the 1st of December. The volume back then was, you can see, was actually around the same numbers. But when we topped out, it was way higher. So I mean, a breakout here is definitely possible. A higher volume is definitely great, all right? That does increase the chances of potentially breaking out. I'm not sure how the open interest is doing. I think it's doing relatively good. Yeah, there's a good increase in the open interest here. We had a bit of a spike yesterday. That was the move, the liquidity grab up to these levels right here at 44,000. See, to me, the main resistance level really is around 44,500. That's really the main level. To me, we're just waiting for some sort of confirmation, all right? Because I could see Bitcoin rallying from here, and I could see Bitcoin just getting a bearish breakout and dropping down towards 40,500. I think it's a little bit more likely, but that's also partially because I'm scared of it. I think it's a bit more likely that Bitcoin will still break down below 43,250. And once it has broken below that and actually confirmed the breakout by retesting it, for example, then it's pretty certain we'll drop down. All right, the markets right now are pretty funky. I mean, obviously we're going to get that ETF approval hopefully soon. But right now, I mean, Christmas is coming up. I mean, that's not the time for huge moves. It's the time for volatility, but not necessarily for new highs. So that's why I think this is more likely. But in the end, as a trader, as a technical analyst, I'm purely waiting for a breakout. All right, so we have this level here at 43,200. Let's round it down a bit, and then we have 44,500. I'm just going to wait for a breakout. All right, if we're going to get that bearish breakout, then it's likely we're going to fall, and I will probably close some long positions. But if we get that bearish, bullish breakout, like if Bitcoin really breaks above 44,500 and we're able to still hold that as support after hitting 45,000, we're just going up to 47,000 and potentially higher, all right? And then Bitcoin dominance will probably continue to rise up. So Bitcoin will outperform other coins, but in the end, we'll be very bullish. All right, so those are my thoughts on Bitcoin for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.